Hello everyone, Sam is from myforexmagicweb.com. I'm making this a small video about the last week trades. So let's get it started. Week started on the 21st February. So this is the first trade on the 21st using my Magic Abyss system. Here's the buy order. It's a move break even plus. This is for 55 pip. All the trades are taken by the setup, nothing random, by the setup. I have to have the setup and 4 conditions met before I open the trade. The next trade was the same day, 21st. It is a Euro Yen 20-minute chart. I use 20-minute charts for my entries only nowadays. So sell order here, 140 pip. Obviously, this is like a 3-day worth of trade. Because I knew that the euro is going to get weaker a lot. So I was holding all euro trades. So now here, 21st, again, euro NZD, like I said, euro was getting weak. So all euro pairs were going down. Euro NZD, here, the short entry and all the way to 140 pip. Here's euro Aussie. Again, the entry was on the 17th. And trade was closed on Monday. It was last Thursday, and then trade was closed on Monday. 125 pip sell on Euro Aussie and pound franc. This is the same day, 21st Feb, and here's the entry and 80 pip sell order here. Now on the 22nd, again, euro continue going down, and euro NZD here, second trade, 140 pip sell order here. And this is on the 22nd again, pound NZD. NZD was getting strong. So pound NZD, euro NZD were going down. NZD USD was going up, something like that. So sell order here for, it dropped here big time. And then again here, this is the entry, 50 pip only. Here, euro Aussie again. And this time is 75 pip on the 22nd. See, every day the same thing happened. Rinse, repeat. The pair moves to its daily range, average daily range, and then it retraces. And then the next day, the volume comes in, and then it moves again that much. If the daily range is around 120 pip, let's say, so the pair will manage somehow to move like around 130, 110, 120 pip every single day from high to low. So that's the daily range. So now this is a NZD USD long. Like I said, the NZD was getting strong, so it was sending pound NZD and euro NZD down and NZD USD up. And here on the 23rd, again, the game continued. Euro NZD 100 pip to the downside. Look at that. I mean, all of these points are entries. These highs, as long as this is going below this white line, and that's all of these highs, you just go short. Simple as that. 100 pip to the downside. On the 23rd, again, pound NZD sell order here. This was the trade, and this was, so this is the one, 410 pip on 23rd. This was on the 22nd entry, and then 23rd close. So on the 23rd, pound Aussie sell order here, from here all the way down, 110 pip. These, notice that I don't trade euro, USD yen. They don't have a big daily range. So that means if you open a trade, you hardly come up with like 20, 30 pip for the whole day. I don't want that. These pairs move a lot. Euro, NZD, pound, all pound pairs are big movers, plus Euro, Aussie, Euro, NZD, things like that. They are big movers. So that's why I like this pound Aussie, big mover. Daily range is very high. This is gold trade here, buy order here. It was, look at that. So all of these were entry. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. And then here, pound yen. Again, like I said, pound yen, we call it dragon, right? Big mover. So 95 pip from here to here. And then I got another entry and then going down again one more time. This is on the 24th, euro yen now, sell order. Again, euro weakness, continue. And here it is. Here's the entry, and then 80 pip. to the downside. And on the 24th, gold again, this was the first entry I showed you. It went up there, retraced a little bit, another entry, boom, another trade, right? On the 24 here, the euro yen, you just saw the first one, and this is the second one. Look at that. The first one was right there, and right there, I closed this trade, but then I opened another one because there's the entry, right? And you look at it. Oops. You see that one? Just like that. I closed it, and then I opened because there was another entry. I should have closed here, actually, but it was a little late. And then I said, well, I will do it because I can then count next day trade. This is on the 24 now, euro yen. And 75. Then pound yen. Remember I said that, you know, this was the trade, and then it retraced. I went short again on the next, on 24th, the next day, sell order here. And so many trades, and every single trade is by the book, by the setup. If I have the setup, then I pull the trigger. If not, I don't open the trade. I would not open the trade here, 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 anywhere here, and I would not short here or here because there, you know, the yellow is above the black line, so it's a no-no. Anyway, this was a short entry. Right now, it's a short entry, right? So pound Aussie here on the 25th for 90 pip. And here pound Newsy on the 25th for 80 pip, right? Beautiful trade by the book again. And then this one pound CAD, you can see how beautiful it is, right? This was the entry here, and then it came, it went up and then knocked by SL out, and after that, boom, this is the entry, right? So sometimes even if I lose, if you know the price goes in my way, then I move my SL a little bit. Initially it's 25 pip, then I move it to, you know, 10 pip, 15 pip, 10 pip, 5 pip, break even. So here I think I lost maybe like 10 pip because I moved it a little bit, and then it went up, hit again, gave me another entry. So 140 minus the 10, 130 pip. That's how it is. This was an entry too, which I missed. This was an entry too, you know. All of these are entries. So these are like almost 21 trades. Yes, I had my SL hit 5, 6 times. And usually, like I said, here I lost 10 pip. Somewhere I lost, you know, like 5, and some in like 15 pip, hardly 25 pip, because when I make an entry, usually the price goes a little bit in my favor, at least a little bit, enough to me moving my SL 5 to 10 pip in that direction. And then if it comes back and hit my SL, I lose 10 pip, 15 pip. So no big deal. Later on, you know, I finish trades like this, and then I recover everything. No problem. So these are the trades so that I wanted to show. Because of the system takes out the emotions, right? You go like, oh my God, it's going down, down, down. You go short here, and then boom, it retraces, and then says, what the heck? Now, you know, the person, if you don't have a system, you will see that, oh my God, it's going up, up, go long here, and then boom, right? So you don't know anything. So when you have a system that this is it, I'm just gonna go short from here because this was bullish side and this is bearish. It's below, yellow is below the yellow line, red line. That's it, it's bearish. No long, no more long. Only short if I have this all the way up and blue candle turns red. That's the entry. So this is the entry, this is the entry, this is the entry, this is the entry. This is not the entry right now. All of these points. So this is how the system is. So if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, then go on my website here. This is my Forex Magic Web, and you know, use this button, subscribe, and you will find my last week trades, all of these, and then this is the current week trade, which I don't have anything right now. This is a subscription page where you go and then you can see and watch the video about the subscription. What the heck is that? And if you are new and wants to learn everything and A to Z, what Forex has to do with harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, and SNR levels, and how to use this system to get this system, everything. This is one-on-one Forex coaching. Very good course. It makes you master of this business. And you can see all of this here. You can read all about this course. It is a 10-hour intensive course. I teach this course over 10-hour, 1-hour session, each session. and over Zoom, right? So you will be watching my screen, and I'll be showing you almost everything. So a lot of people use Fibonacci too, very wrong way. And if you use it the right way, it's amazing. It's amazing. Like, for example, I'll give you an example. This thing is cooking here. It's a Bitcoin USD, right? And I'm thinking about going long here. Why? Because if you pull the fifth from here to here, the right way, you can see that this is 50% touch, and this is exact pinpoint 23% line touch. So this is the recipe for a bad pattern, the harmonic patterns, and it is obviously after the correction. This is wave 1, 2, and Elliott wave count, wave 3 is coming up. It is going into this area. So bad pattern requires that from 50 to 23% bounce, and it usually goes back to 88%. Right. So if it goes above this line here, I'll from a short time period chart, I'm going to make an entry here somewhere and then hold on to it all the way go to the upside. All right. So that's how it is. It's a lot of harmonic patterns all over the place, Elliott wave all over the place. It is just that if you learn how to recognize them immediately and put a trade on accordingly, and using my magic ID setup. I do not open a trade without the setup. Even though if I know it is going to bounce from 20% line and go on up here, I will wait for this thing to give me a green light. I was expecting that it's going to go up from here, but it didn't. It dropped and it started wobbling. It's a slow time around maybe 1 or 2 o'clock or maybe 3 o'clock London open, and then it will start bouncing and going up. And this is only Bitcoin. It's a lot of trades, a lot of pairs, right? Oil and gold and this and that, everything. So this system works in everything, every instrument. The settings are different. Once you learn how to change the setting, it's no big deal. It's a piece of cake. All right, so this is it for now. And like I said, that if you like, you just go on my website and subscribe and be a part of it and start trading. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful trading week. Right? So what do? Stop